welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Laudiann Silvis, and the internet sucks right now because I was trying to create content for you. I wanted to show you how to use the feature on using clipping some of your videos and actually promoting them out there. Any social media you can do this. I have actually been playing around with clip, and you can clip as many seconds you want and share it. You can share the link, and it actually goes to your library. On the left side of your column there's a library, and there's a section where it says clip. Alright, I can't share it with you because I'm not in front of my YouTube channel, and you can't see my channel right now because the internet sucks. I need to treat my YouTube channel as a business too, because my business is to share me. My business is to share the things I do, what I'm good at, and I have playlists, the things I enjoy online and offline. So this is my lifestyle. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel, you can keep watching my videos. I love to create all types of videos. Okay, so but my focus is mainly on the mindset and resetting your mind to keep you in a positive state of mind at all times, and it's to encourage you. And if you don't understand my channel, you can go ahead and read my channel description. Okay, it all started with my mentor, who is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. He's the one that actually helped me with my mindset, to reset my mindset, and a lot of the negative is out of my system now. I don't even give in to those types of thoughts. I don't give into negativity at all. So everything is positive. So my videos are always going to actually share positive things in everything I do. So you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to come back, because I do upload videos from time to time. And I'm not like some of those other creators. They're so creative out there. I've been watching other people's channels and how they edit their videos, how they use their movie editors. I mean, they do so many clips. I know they take so much time in making a really good content video. Now I have a little bit experience with a little editing. You're not going to see it very much. You can do a lot of things on your smartphone though, and the smartphone can actually promote some different apps, and then you can see that some of my videos, I do use my smartphone to make my videos. Now today I'm on my laptop. Anyway, let's talk about other people's channels. Alright, sometimes when I watch their channels, you know, they're so good at making their videos, and I'm like, don't ever give into that thought and think that you're not good enough like they are. No, you need to focus on you. Just be you, have your own personality, your own style. Everybody is made in an image and the likeness of God's creation. He created you to be who you are, the way you are. So be yourself. If you have never ever started a YouTube channel and you would like to start one, go ahead and start one. And if you want to make money on YouTube, you can have your channel monetized, and you have to do it within a year, but to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. That's the requirement for you to enter into getting your channel monetized. All right, my channel right now, this one is monetized, and I have another crochet channel that is monetized, and it took a lot of work for me just to get my subscribers. That's the hardest part, is getting your subscribers. But once you get going, you know, and once you start doing organic traffic, you know, there's nothing wrong with using organic traffic to drive traffic to all your websites, to share it with people. And I haven't been really sharing it a lot, but I'm thinking about making some business cards and to give it out, and that way people can link to my crochet channel and my YouTube channel, and they can actually subscribe that way. So the word of mouth out there and sharing it out to the world, not just only online, but you got to do it offline. And I can do that a lot at my craft shows. I am a craft vendor, and I haven't been doing anything but crocheting. I'm a crochet craft vendor, and I make all kinds of stuff. And you can check out my crochet channel. You can check out one of my playlists below, my crochet stuff, and you can see I do a lot of things. As my mother would say, I'm a jack of all trades. And that's kind of like what my channel is about, because I do a little bit of everything. But I hope you guys enjoy my channel and keep watching. I was going to share with you how to use a feature on the clips of your videos on YouTube. There's a feature about clips, and that will be in another video. So guys, take the time to watch my videos. I did upload some videos yesterday, and they're meditation videos. I'm probably going to start doing videos, making it on my smartphone, because I have better connection that way. And you all need to know that I did change my YouTube name. Okay, it used to be called Mindset Coach Laudiaan, but now it is Laudiaan Silvis. I'm branding myself. I still go by Online Coach Laudiaan, Crochet Coach Laudiaan. Everybody calls me Mindset Coach Laudiaan. I still go by Coach, because I coach in everything that I enjoy doing and making and having that passion in my life. So today I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to try to make the feature on how to use the clip on YouTube. I'm going to talk about upcoming videos about YouTube and how you can get more subscribers and more views. I'm going to talk about more about how to stay positive and just be able to keep up with society and having that being the best who you can be, actually. Well, I'm gonna go and take care. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to, when you watch a channel video from me, link to one of my other videos, because it's gonna be good for you. Everything I post is always good for you to learn and to enjoy. Thank you all. Ta-da, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.